Hey everybody, this is Mr. McKibben, and this is a video about how to use Google Docs and Google Slides. When you're in your Google Drive, and you can get to your Google Drive from the waffle here, from the KPBSD webpage, and you can get to your Google Mail in your classroom. So the Google Drive is right here. We'll take you to this page. You end up in your Drive. You go to the top here where it says New, and click on the plus sign, and then you can open up a new document or a new Google slide. So when you come in here, open up a new Google Doc, it's going to give you an untitled document. Right away you want to title this, whatever the project is, essay about me, and I want to put that up here, essay about me. I can title it right away, and that way when it goes into my folder I will know what it's called. Along the top here we have file. We can do all kinds of things with this. We can edit it, we can view. So just like in a Word document, there are lots of tools to use to do your writing. You can do the bold, you can change the font size, the font type, and make it bigger or smaller, center things, put them to the left or to the right margin. Mostly all the tools that are on a Word document are on these Google Docs. And that's how you do these. These ones you don't have to save. One advantage to Google Docs is that they save like every few seconds. So you can see right here, last edit was seconds ago, and it automatically saves and resaves and resaves. So you don't ever have to save this. Once I've titled it, even when I X out of it and I go back to my Google Drive, it is going to be under my recent documents, essay about me. So then I can open it back up and continue working on it. If you have any other questions, give me a shout out.